Hi, myself Arun. I am working as a Embedded programmer in Spyro Solutions Private Limited, and here I am going to explain about the project, the hierarchical algorithm for indoor mobile robot localization using the RFID technology. First of all, the objective of the project is we are going to implement the RFID technology for the location identification purpose. If you go for the existing system, we have the normal system which will have the GPS receiver for the location identification purpose, which will be somewhat less effectiveness, because the GPS receiver interfacing is also complex, as well as the cost is also very high. And then by using this proposed system, we can increase our human and robot interaction also. So if you go for the block diagram, it will be clear. In block diagram section, we have the two sections. One is the control section and another one is the robot section. This robot section contains the RFID tag with the reader and ultrasonic sensor and a robot mechanism and the RF receiver and the Zigbee transceiver. And control section also contains the keypad for the controlling purpose and the Zigbee transceiver for the communication purpose and the RF transmitter. By using the RF transmitter, we are going to control the robot using the keypad. According to the pressing of the key, the corresponding frequency will be received by the RF receiver, and it will control corresponding to that frequency. If we go for the Zigbee communication, means it will just used for the communication between that receiver section and the transmitter section. The RFID tag will be placed in each places inside the room, and whenever the robot reaches that RFID tag, so that tag will be read by the reader, and those information will be transmitted through the Zigbee transceiver to the transmitter section. So that information will be displayed in its LCD, so the controller can come to know that where the robot is. And then if there is any obstacle detected in front of the robot, means it will be also displayed in LCD, so it will alert that corresponding person, and he can come to know that there is obstacle, so he can put another control. So the interaction will be high when compared to the existing system. So this is the advantage of the system. That's all about the project. Thank you.